Hello and welcome to today's episode in my business series. Adnan Addy messages me on Instagram, what is the future of personal trainers in India? Today we are watching everyone is making YouTube videos and giving knowledge for free. So in that case, in personal training, can you earn? Well, Adnan, it's a very good question, and today I'm going to answer this question with proper market analysis. You need to understand this, and let me tell you this in the opening itself. In India, within the next 10 years, fitness trainers are going to be the next croropatis, millionaires. How is that going to happen, and why 10 years? Why not now? I'm going to answer that with this proper market analysis. Now, this is my 21st year in this industry. I have seen trends come and go in a proper sequence. And I'm going to put it up over here for you. And then I'm going to make you understand why you are the next big thing in India. Listen. When I was somewhere around 23 years old, that's the time when international gyms started coming into India. Now, if you see this trend, way back, what happened is the big money bags, if I can call them this, money bags. I am talking construction tycoons. Builders, construction tycoons, financial giants like bankers, investment bankers. The guys who had that kind of money were looking for a business to invest in. They started this trend here of bringing in these big gyms, international chain gyms. All they had to do was take a nice infrastructure, put up a nice infrastructure, rent out a good place, put in the best of machines, equipments in there, get celebrities to endorse. That was the number one thing that happened. Get celebrities to endorse, to sign on the walls and everything. They started giving membership to models and TV actors and TV actresses for free, and the industry caught and how. They minted money, right, left, center, they minted money. Okay, so those money bags with their gyms came up here. Now, when people started going in there, after a couple of years, they started realizing that only this setup I can't really do anything. Okay, so in the middle of all this is that consumer that we are talking about, the clients. They started thinking, "Arey, this is not like." Something is missing here. You know, what is it? What can I do to really understand how to get myself in shape? So what happened is, the next big thing came is these YouTubers. Now, these were money bags. Who are these YouTubers? They were not fitness trainers. These were definitely not fitness trainers. They were also not fitness trainers. They were more of, I would put them in the category of fitness models, borderline trainers. They were not exercise scientists, exercise physiologists, biomechanists, nutritionists. They were none of all that. Good physique, ripped, really ripped. Girls with these small clothes, wonderful. They minted right, left, center. But what happened is, after some time, these consumers started to realize that when I sit, and at that time YouTube was very big, so 20-minute long video, 30-minute long video went really well. Then the crowd started increasing. The average watch time started coming down. 20-minute, 15-minute, 7-minute, came down to 3 minutes. Because the population, how much can you sit and see? How many people will you sit and see? So then from here, after the whole YouTube thing, came the whole online training. Who boomed this? Instagram. Because here the volume was so much that people didn't have enough time to sit and see 20 minute long video. So these 1 minute long videos, reels, again, these fitness models jumped in here. They started minting money over here. And got money, like Instagram, people who are doing these online training, online schedules, and especially females, on an average make around 50 lakhs to 1 crore a year. That's the kind of money that they make over here. Now, this went on for quite some time. Again, the consumer over here was that when this is happening, the whole online thing, the schedule that is coming in, you could then make out that they are just looking for volumes. They want to finish as much, so kind of templates started coming in. Same, you want to do this is your schedule, come on, train. Now, how will somebody train like that? There's a limit to what you can do. Now, when the kind of money that they were making, these money bags kind of people, they saw this and they were like, "Arey, this is the very good business. Let us continue over here." What came? Apps. The Fiternity, Healthify Me app, Cult Fitness. Who's doing it? Now this who was doing? Construction tycoons, builders, financiers. This who was doing? Fitness models. This, both of these fitness model, etc. Then came the whole app thing. Who's doing this? IIT graduates, IIM graduates, Bollywood actresses, they started jumping into this bandwagon. They started coming with those apps. Now, what happened is, when people started downloading those apps, no matter how much they say, "Oh, we will completely personalize it for you," you put your details in there and you will get a kind of a schedule. I know people who come to me and say, "What schedule is this? I'm doing this by the end of this." How can an app figure out how you feel that day? Like, no good trainer walks into the gym with a ready-made schedule. You cannot. You can have a periodized macro cycle, periodized mesocycle, periodized microcycle, but that day, how does a good trainer make a schedule? He just stands and observes his client warming up. How fast the breath rate increased. How are the eyes? How hazy are the eyes? How is the recovery looking for the day? How was the sleep last night? What kind of mental stress is he or she looking today? In those 2 to 3 minutes, schedule of the day is done. This is how any good trainer will make a schedule. You can never walk into the gym with a schedule. How the hell will this app do all this? It is not doing it. No matter how much they claim, it's not doing it. But these people are still going there. You know why? Because in the end of the day, this industry, the ball has to come and stop with the fitness trainer, your personal trainer. Because only and only this person can train somebody. Now, why are these people, Adnan, why are these people going all around the place? Why are they not coming to you? Because you are not worth coming to. If I have to tell you today, these people will go and pay lakhs of rupees here, thousands and lakhs of rupees they are paying here. Why are they not coming and paying you? You saw that video of mine? Payment is getting delayed. How to get the payment, how to handle clients who don't pay on time. That video is there here in the business series. Why are they not doing all this with these people? There they go and pay on time. Only to us, why they don't pay on time? Because you have to ask yourself, if today a client has to come and tell you, I will pay you 5,000 rupees a month. Have you worked on yourself like that? If a client has to come and tell you, I will pay you 5 lakhs rupees per month, in hand, after all tax deductions, are you worth it? Now, when I said 10 years, this trend will take around good 10 years. Why 10 years? Because now trainers have started getting there. One example is standing in front of you. I give you my example, like in every single video. When the batch that went to get graduated in Australia, I think it was somewhere, total number of students was somewhere around 25, 30. Out of that, if I'm not wrong, only 4 or 5 passed. Out of those 4 and 5, only 3 came back to India. Here are the numbers. Only 3 came back to India. Out of those 3, only 2 made it good, success. 1 is standing in front of you. Now, if these are the numbers, out of 25, if 2 make it good in India, this will take time to get to 10 years. Because those remaining 2 stayed abroad. They settled in Australia. Now, even now, while I'm talking to you, I am eligible for a 2-year work visa in Australia. After I finish that, I will get a 4-year PR. After that, I'll get citizenship. Now, why would anyone leave it? Correct? Why would anyone leave it? One friend of mine, she went abroad and did masters in sports psychology. She stayed there. Now she's a British citizen. So, by the time trainers groom themselves like that, come back, stay in India, hit the market, it will take this much time. Is the consumer there? Yes. Is the market there? Yes. Are they ready to pay? Yes. Are you there to pull that kind of money out of them? Have you worked on yourself like that? I am not saying you have to do those fancy degrees abroad. No. I also did it very late in life. Before that, see my profile before that. I was already hanging around with celebrities and business tycoons before I went and got a degree. So don't come up with this thing, oh, he's saying that you have to do international degrees to be successful. No. If you do, very good. But those degrees are there in India also. See my certification video in my 7-episode fitness series for fitness professionals. I've spoken in length about it. So the whole thing is the way I've done my technical and the business. With the playlist also I've put over here. But the way I've groomed myself in India to excel in this market, you have to work upon yourself. Bring up yourself to that kind of standard where somebody says worth paying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10 lakh rupees a month. Worth it. Dude, this guy knows it all. Wow, what a trainer. I want to train with her. She is the best trainer that I can ever find. That level of standard is up to you, Andan. For that is the reason why I'm telling you. I am here just to help you all out for this. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel and team up. See, I'm not telling you follow me, make me your teacher. No. Team up means comment. Every video that I make is what you guys ask. Comment on my videos that this topic I'm not understanding. Make video on this. This market, how to crack. I'm not understanding. Make video on this. See, I'll make videos like this and give. But this is the only way. And very soon, yes, I am coming out with my full curriculum where step by step I will guide you how to become that absolute success of a fitness trainer. But you have to understand in this video, what I'm trying to tell you is that the consumer is ready. The market is ready. The money is there. Everybody is minting. Construction tycoons are minting, IIT, IIM graduates are minting, Bollywood actresses are minting, fitness models are minting, TV actresses are minting. Only you fitness trainers are not minting. Except you in your industry, in your market, other than you, the whole world is minting. I want you to know this. And there are few handful trainers like me who are now in the league. And now I want every Indian fitness trainer to join this league. Because this is our industry. This is our market. We are supposed to make money here. Not this Bollywood, Shollywood, IIT, IIMs. This is our market. Why are they in here? We need to come together, pool our resources together, kick these people out, and we got to get in here. This is our market. That is why I'm telling you, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, get together, and we can do this. It's a big market. It's in our hand, it's our market. Let's go get it. I'll see you in my next video. Comment in my section and tell me what kind of videos you want to see, and I'll be more than happy to make it for you. See you soon.